Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I am going to discuss about top 10 best trading app in India. So we will discuss app for both of you. So if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe this channel, and this data is given by Forbes, so you can trust the app. So discuss first app, which comes is Zerodha. So if you are overall you want the best trading experience, then you can use this app. If you talk about rating, then it's 4.5 rating, and talk about account opening charge, then 200 account opening charge, and brokerage, no brokerage you have to give. And if you talk about Android download, then download is 1 crore plus. And the next app is Upstock Pro trading app. So if you are an intraday and FO trader, then this is best app you can use. And if you talk about rating, then it's 4.0 rating, and account opening charge nil. And if you talk about brokerage charge, INR 20 rupees you have to give. And if you talk about download, then 1 crore plus download is there. So our next app is 5paisa. So if you are a retail trading, then this app is best for you. And if you talk about rating, then 4.0, no account opening charge you have to give, and for brokerage charge you have to 20 per order you have to give. And Android download is 1 crore plus. Now the next app comes is best for beginner. So if you are a beginner in trading, then you can use Kotak Securities. Talk about its rating 4.0 its rating, and account opening charge you have to nothing give in account opening charge. And talk about its brokerage, then 0.25% per order you have to give. And talk about download, then 10 lakh plus download is there. And next app is best for heavy trader. So if you are a heavy trader, then you can use Angel Speed Pro. And if you talk about rating, 4.0 its rating, and no account opening charge you have to give, no brokerage, and Android download is 1 crore plus. Now the next app is IFL Market mobile app. So if you are both beginner and seasoned investor, then you can use this app. And talk about its rating is 4.0, no account opening charge. And if you talk about brokerage, then 20 per order you have to give brokerage. And talk about its download, it's 50 lakh plus download. Now the next app is MO Investor, means Motilal Oswal. So if you are investing in equities and mutual fund, then you can use this app. This is very good app, and its rating is 4.0, and nothing you have to give in account opening charge, and brokerage 0.20% you have to give. And Android download is 50 lakh plus. Now the next app is best for advanced market analysis. So if you are interested in advanced market analysis, then you can use this app, Advis mobile trading app, and its rating is 4.0, and nothing you have to give account opening, and account opening charge is nil, and brokerage 10 per order you have to give. And Android download is 10 lakh plus. And now the next app is zerodha, and this app is best for experienced investor and trader. So its rating is 3.5, and account opening charge nothing you have to give, no brokerage for 1 month, and Android download is 50 lakh plus. Now comes to our last app but not least, is ICICI Direct, and its rating is 3.5. and if you are a seasoned trader, then you can use this app. And at the time of account opening, nothing you have to give. And at the brokerage, if you talk about, then 0.55%. if we talk about Android download, then it's a 10 lakh plus resistance. So I hope I am able to clear your all doubt regarding top 10 best trading app, and this data is given by Forbes, so you can trust it. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe this channel.